If you really think about it, this phenomenon of less is more is the reason people have started going minimalistic and downsizing to tiny homes.
Cheese. Okay, Russell, jump. Whoa, big jump.
Don't try to be the next Stephen King or imitate the Bible or the dictionary. My name is Lisa Shimkus, and I am a mom of two who went from teaching to lifing. I enjoy writing, reading, crafting, and learning. My channel is here to help you learn and grow through the use of books and writing, and to help you make your writing dreams come true. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to A Writer's Corner. Today we are going to discuss the writing tip, less is more. Before we do that, if you're an avid reader, chances are you write a lot. You enjoy expressing yourself in words, and chances are sometimes you may write too much. And there are consequences to this. I recently came upon the book Writing for Busy Readers by Todd Rogers and Jessica Lasky-Fink. One topic Rogers and Lasky-Fink wrote about is this idea of less is more. If you really think about it, this phenomenon of less is more is the reason people have started going minimalistic and downsizing to tiny homes. The satisfactions in life are the little things. And if you're a parent, it could literally be your children.
Okay, Russell, jump. Cheese. Okay, Russell, jump. Whoa, big jump. Okay, Elsie's turn. Yay, good job, Elsie.
And this applies to writing. Sometimes we may want to write long emails, blog posts, and never-ending stories in order to convey our messages more. However, there are some downsides to this. According to Rogers and Lasky-Fink, more writing takes more time to read and requires more concentration. Because of this, longer messages deter readers from engaging. In short, the more you write, the less engaged your readers become. Rogers and Lasky-Fink were able to prove this by conducting an email survey. They found that twice as many people participated in the email survey when their emails were shorter and more concise, in comparison to longer emails that request that folks take part in the same exact survey. It was a ratio of 4.8% to 2.7%. What does this mean for you? If you're working on a blog post or a manuscript, revise it and cut down your word usage. For example, you may start with "because of this" and change it to "therefore." Or, "they are a person who" can become "they," and "in the time frame of" can become "while." If you're responding to an email or a text message, simplify it. Let's look at an example. "Hi Sally, I'm so sorry, but I can't make it to dinner tonight. My mother just called and she needs help with yard work and moving furniture. She also needs me to take the dog to the vet. Again, I'm so sorry. Can we reschedule?" Can be revised to, "Sorry, another obligation has come up. Let's reschedule. I'll explain later." In other words, when you write a story, don't try to be the next Stephen King or imitate the Bible or the dictionary. If you're writing a text message or an email, keep it short and to the point. That way, your readers are more engaged. And note, this does not mean cutting down on descriptive words. This will actually make your writing quite bland. Instead, use precise words to convey your message. I highly suggest reading graphic novels to see how this is used. In conclusion, if you are an avid reader, you are a lover of words, and you may write too much. There are actually consequences to expressing yourself in too many words. Therefore, cut down on your word usage and use precise words instead to get your message across. Remember, less is more. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like another writing tip, watch this video here, and I'll see you there. Bye!